Fernando, is die Fernando van Ebba?
Yes, einste.
Sing een klein beetje voor ons.
Can you hear the drums, Fernando? I remember long ago another starry night like this. In the firelight, Fernando, you were humming to yourself and slumping your guitar. I could hear the distant drums and sound of pickle coals were coming from far.
Go.
There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining there for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Though we never thought that we could lose, there's no regrets. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando.
Wow!
Dis lekker om mee saam te
baby.
sing.
Oh, yes, boy.
Dis lief om saam met jou te sing.
Dis goeie teken vir my, want dit klink ongelooflik mooi.
Oh, dankie.
Wow, jy het 'n stunning stem, hoor.
Dankie, man.
Weer eens waar het jy weg